What is up, YouTube? So today we're gonna make a pretty cool video. We're getting a really big snowstorm. We're supposed to get 18 to 24 inches of snow here, like starting at around 4 or 5 o'clock in the afternoon and going all the way through tomorrow, Thursday. So hopefully we get 2 feet. It'd be pretty awesome. So we're gonna take some cool videos of the snow. We have Peyton still doing some school.
James, I'm just gonna check
the top, like,
and see if I have everything handed in.
Tutankhamun. That's his full name, King Tut.
Oh.
So you can see she's doing some stuff on ancient Egypt and the pharaohs. That's what she's working on now. You doing okay there, Peyton? Yeah. This one is already done with her work. So we're gonna check the snowfalls, and as you can tell, her teacher's very loud.
So I think Mary has half sister, but and then when I went to one of the links, science goes really quick.
Science goes quick.
And it's from we're gonna on FET. It's an app.
That's annoying.
You have to do something without it.
Don't use that link anymore.
Yeah.
Just
Her teacher got a loud voice.
It says like
What?
Okay.
ancient. I don't know.
Where? Show me. I forgot what her name was.
It's
Which link was it?
It has a 2 name.
That is Anksunamun. You'll learn it because you have to keep doing it. So this is the stuff that she's looking up. I don't know how that's going.
It's who's King got married to.
Oh.
Doing okay now? All right.
So,
So we're gonna take a quick look outside, and right now, what time is it? I don't even know what time it is. I just got back from Walmart to get some supplies. It's 12 o'clock. So what do we got outside right now?
Nothing.
Nothing.
It's 19 degrees out there.
19 degrees out. We got 0 snow, and so we're gonna probably do like hourly once it starts snowing. We'll check and see how much snow we get each hour, right?
Yeah.
And then we'll get the snowball fight. And then it's the snowball fight. Yeah. What are you doing there?
Just going for my daily dice roll walk.
Daily dice roll walk?
Yeah.
yeah, you can use the
Cornball.
interviews or the debate. So you can say why your pharaoh is the most.
No, I'll do this part.
I guess it's slow-mo day.
Here, wait, go fast first. Okay, ready? Now walk. Am I doing it? Does that look real? Alright, so it's not really doing much right now. It's flurrying just a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's flurrying a little bit. We'll probably check again later tonight to see if it's snowing again. But we'll check again.
So 7 o'clock, started snowing now. We got Peyton out here making some cookies. What kind of cookies you making, boo?
Oatmeal cranberry.
Oatmeal cranberry, interesting. She's out here with Aunt Carla.
And
We're gonna check the snow accumulation.
The other one's the Hershey ones with the Hershey thingies.
Okay, you cook them up. Nice shoes there, Lay.
Yeah, and common shorts.
All right.
1, 2, 3.
So part of this 14 inches has started, and it looks like, I know it's kind of hard to see, so we'll go over here to where the light is, and here it is.
Wait, let me see.
Oh, this is heavy snow.
Let me see. Oh, it's cold, but it's getting packed.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's heavy snow, so it looks like, all right, it's not a lot yet. Not a lot yet. So we'll come back. We'll come back in about an hour and see where we're at.
Yeah. So it's now 8 o'clock. Here's the update. Pretty stormy out here. The car is filled. I don't know if you can see, but it's a blizzard out here. It's like a tornado just with snow. But this is a car, fully covered car of snow. I'd say it's about an inch or so. Not really sure. You can kind of see some grass over here some light. And it's a blizzard out here. So that's our 8 o'clock update. So it's currently 9 o'clock and we have about I think like 2 or something. Yeah. About 1 or 2. You almost slipped. It's pretty, like everything's covered and stuff. Here's the car now. Like completely covered and everything. Very soft. It's very soft. It's not packed. It's so cold. So yeah, it's 9 o'clock. I'm not sure if we're gonna do one for 10 o'clock. Yeah. We might do one for 10 o'clock, but we might not. So here's the review and look. Yeah, it's kind of packed. Yeah. Let's go back in. If we don't do a review at 10 o'clock, or yeah, if we don't do a thing at 10 o'clock, then we'll show you guys in the morning. Okay, so it's now 10 o'clock and we're gonna go outside to see how many inches. Oh my God. I don't think I can go down. Let me see. Okay. Yeah, we're good. It goes up to like the tip of your shoe. Okay, ready? Ooh. All of that. I'm gonna slip. Oh my God.
Holy cow. All right. I'm not going all the way out there.
I am.
Nope. Come back in.
Oh my God. I can't move. Ugh. It's so cold. Wait, we're ready?
We got about 3 inches already.
Yeah. Wait, is it packed still? No, look, it's really soft. And it's really cold.
All right, get inside.
Here, get your wet boots
Storm
on here
day
whenever you
2.
come in.
So
Okay.
it's 8:30 in the morning, I think, right?
Yes.
Something like that. And the snow's over. We got about 2 feet.
It's 8:40.
It's still snowing out? I haven't even really looked yet. I just kind of peeked outside, so.
No, it's like filled to our window.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome. So we're gonna get out there and gotta help get things cleaned up now.
Oh my goodness.
Day 2. This is a New York snowstorm. Oh yeah, it is still snowing. Check this out. So close the door. What do you think, Rock? 2 feet? Huh? 2 feet? We got everyone awake cleaning up. Gotta get the cars all cleaned up. What time did you get up?
6.
This is whack. This is whack. Look at all that snow. Alright, Lexi's car is somewhere down there. There it is. It's all... Oh. Yo!
You fell?
This is all ice!
You fell?
Yeah!
You fell?
It's all ice! Check that out!
You got that on film?
Yep!
Nice.
It's all ice!
That's because they keep driving over it. The tracks are packing it down.
Alright, so we got one fall. One fall, and let's see how many broken bones we got out of that one. Alright, we gotta get to work now. And by work, I mean just cleaning up all the snow.
Alright, so it's like, I think it's like 9 in the morning, and we're still shoveling because there's a lot of ice, but we have to move the cars down to Dollar General so that they could finish up cleaning the snow, because once we move the car, there's going to be a lot of snow on the road and everything. But it's pretty deep. Like, look at that. So if I like go and step into it, my foot is just, I'm gonna sink. Yeah. It's not packed though. It's really soft. Yeah, it's really soft. It's up to that tree. But my dad is moving the, oh yeah, he's right there. He's moving the car so he can go park it. Ooh. It's so warm in here. I think I just tracked snow in here.
That's alright. We got the floor mats.
It's so cold.
Seatbelt on.
Yes, sir. Oh my god, wait, look at that pile up there.
Seatbelt, more important.
Yes, yes, yes. Look at all of that. It's like a mount.
Big old mountain.
Big old, and look on the mountain, you could see all the snow, and it makes it easier to see like the trees and stuff. Cause like, if there's no snow on it, you can't really like see like what's up on the mountain.
Like a big old
It just
grass
looks like,
pile, right?
yeah. But now you can actually see like there's like trails and stuff.
This is crazy. That was a lot of snow we got.
I know, I was not expecting it.
Oh, I told you it was gonna
yeah.
be 2 feet, and we got 2 feet.
I know, I was like expecting it to be like an inch or so.
What?
I know, I didn't think it was gonna happen.
You weren't calculating in your head?
No. But look at all the snow on your car. Look at that. This is
Jeez
crazy.
Louise.
This is like,
Awesome.
yeah, it's cool, but like, this is like the biggest we've ever got like this year.
It's been a while, yeah. Well, this is our first snow of the year.
Oh, did he get stuck?
He's probably stuck. No, what kind of car is that? Is that oh, that's a Honda. He's probably stuck.
Oh no.
They didn't clean Dollar Tree.
Wait, bro, is he okay?
He's fine. Oh, that's an Audi. He should be fine. That should be an all-wheel drive.
Yeah, people who park there are probably gonna be stuck for a while. Look at that. They didn't even clean out the car wash. Duncan's probably not cleaned either.
Well, they're still. I'm just gonna call Uncle Rocky. So here we are. It's like 1:30 now. It's gonna play around in the snow a little bit. I'm just gonna wear my hunting stuff because that's the warmest stuff that I own.
Dad, I went down to sleep. Can you like pull my
Oh, that's not
jacket?
good.
Ready?
It's cold.
3, 2, 1.
Nice.
Oh, it feels comfy though.
Go to sleep. You good?
Pull my sleeve over so snow doesn't get in there.
You should put your gloves on before your jacket. That's why.
I tried.
You tried? Go ahead. If you want. I don't think you're gonna be able to backflip right there.
Do it off the cone. Stand on that and then backflip off.
How you doing? Do you need help or you're doing all right? You doing all right? You need help?
No.
All right.
I'll do a front flip.
All right.
Take my time. Slow and steady.
Yeah, slow and steady wins the race.
1, 2.
Yeah, that didn't work too good.
From the top.
Oh.
Like stand on those taller ones.
Okay.
Dad, it's not working. You need to do this.
Yeah.
Okay.
I can hold the GoPro. Like that. Wait, okay, go.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Did that hurt?
No.
I would not be able to do that.
You're a nutcase.
Well, let's go do a. Wait, hold on. I want to do a backflip and do it now.
Do you want me to spot you?
No. I'm good.
party animal. You're gonna
You're-
chicken out. Yeah, I'm probably gonna chicken out. I'm not chicken out.
You're such a chicken.
I could spot you. Wait, I want to try to land on two. Jump out. Nice!
Hurry up, come on.
1, 2, 3. You did it so late. Okay. If you did it like quicker, then you would have been able to like land it. Like as soon as you jumped, just like throw yourself forward, and you would have made it. You would have made it. Backflip? Yeah. Alright, come on.
All right, come on.
No ball. I'll do a backflip.
No, you won't. No, put your hat on. Are you crazy? Huh? See, you guys are going that way. I'm going around. I'm going this way. Oh my God, that is really deep.
Hug.
You punk.
I can walk on top of it.
Oh, these gloves stink.
Yeah. If you walk slowly, you can walk on top of it.
Oh, it's not really good packing snow. We can't really snowball fight it. It fell apart. You can't help me up. I'm too. You don't you dab on me.
If I walk over something,
That was a big snowball. You gotta take these ones here. Don't get stuck. Oh, that one was heavy.
It blew in my eye.
Yeah, the wind keeps blowing it right back in my face. What are you doing, Peyton?
Ready?
Nice backflip.
I can't move. I can't move. I can't get
Now you're stuck. I'm not helping you. Yeah? You stuck there, Peyton?
My hand is stuck.
Come on.
I can't move. It hurts. It hurts.
Get to your knees. There you go. You can't even knock me over. You can't even knock me over. Go ahead, wuss.
I'm stuck. What?
She called you out. And Carla saw that. That wasn't even close, Lay. Oh, 2 feet of snow. No.
You can't even. Put a bunch of stuff. I'll do it right here. I can't do it.
I saw.
Don't do that. No. When we go inside, you definitely need hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate for sure.
Wait, watch out. I'm gonna do it this way. I feel like I already got frostbite.
Me too. I'm so cold.
Okay, watch out. I'm gonna do it. Even though like I'm running stuff, I'm still cold. Okay, watch out. I'm gonna do that here. I just let me out. Okay, I'm doing it.
Hey, we gotta get up to the top of the roof there. Psych. No, that'll hurt. That one's too high.
I'm gonna try and do it. I'm gonna do it. What if I land on my face? Then you'll just.
You're gonna land on your face. Help.
Oh, my eye is frozen.
Oh my God, you got some. How'd you get all that snow on your face?
Oh,
Here, you grab that side, I'll grab this side.
my eye's frozen.
I think I'm about done already. I'm frozen.
Dad, I did it.
Yeah, you did.
I did it. Okay. Back. Flip. Back.
Yeah, you're gonna slip right or slide right in.
Yeah.
The second you go to push off, it's gonna go whoop. See?
Get the ball. You didn't build a snowman.
I know it's not good enough for a snowman. Probably maybe by tomorrow it'll be a little bit more wet. I can build a snowman.
Ready? See ya. Oh, I went down my shirt.
Yeah, I think I'm done anyway. You ready? Huh? Hot cocoa? Do the closing.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
No. That's not the closing.
Okay.
Close the video, you ding dong.
Alright, ready? Alright, people. Alright, so that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. And follow us on Instagram. Out. Peace out.